So today's video is going to be a quick one. It's going to be me showing you how to debadge your Elantra letters. First thing you want to do is grab a microfiber cloth and make sure the area that you're going to be working with is clean. So that's what I'm doing right now. Next thing you're going to want to do is use a hair dryer. You want to heat up the glue that's underneath the letters. This is going to make it much easier for the letters to come off. And most importantly, do not use dental floss. I see people using dental floss. Use fishing line if you have it. It's going to make the letters come off like a piece of cake. And one other thing that I will recommend is let your car be heated up in the sun. Let it sit out in the sun all day and kind of do this maybe later in the day. Again, use the fishing line. The letters are going to come off like a piece of cake. So I just went through, did all the letters with fishing line, heated them up with the hair dryer to heat up that glue that's underneath, and they come off so easy. This is not hard to do, and it's going to make the look of the car that much cleaner. And as you can see, there's some residue from the glue still there. So what you're gonna do, your final step is gonna be to spray on some Goo Gone. And that's gonna take the remaining glue just completely off. Just make sure you scrub it really good with the microfiber cloth and it's gonna come out amazing. This was a piece of cake to do, no problem. Took a couple of minutes. And as you can see, it really changes the look of the car. I'm really happy with it. Again, the most important thing is the fishing line and that Goo Gone. And as you can see from the results, it definitely cleans up the back end. So anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Until the next one, peace out.